Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video we are doing Foodtech quiz number 40, topic vitamins. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Deficiency of vitamin C leads to dash. Options A. Scurvy, B. Rickettsia, C. Ketosis, D. Beriberi. Correct answer A. Scurvy. Question number 2. Dash vitamins are generally associated with fatty food. Options A. Fat soluble vitamin, B. Vitamin D, C. Water soluble, D. Thiamine. Correct answer A. Fat soluble vitamin. Question number 3. Ascorbic acid is options A. Reducing agent, B. Antioxidant, C. Oxygen scavenger, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 4. Dash can be stored in the body to large extent. Options A. Riboflavin, B. Niacin, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin A. Correct answer C. Vitamin D. Question number 5. Dash serves to prevent the formation of peroxides from polyunsaturated fatty acids. Options A. Pyridoxine, B. Vitamin C, C. Folic acid, D. Vitamin E. Correct answer D. Vitamin E. Question number 6. Dash is one of the stablest vitamins, being relatively resistant to heat, light, acids and alkalis. Options A. Thiamine, B. Vitamin K, C. Niacin, D. Riboflavin. Correct answer C. Niacin. Question number 7. Dash is orange yellow in color. Options A. Folic acid, B. Thiamine, C. Riboflavin, D. Niacin. Correct answer C. Riboflavin. Question number 8. Dash is found in animal materials like meat, milk, fish. Options A. Riboflavin, B. Vitamin A, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin E. Correct answer B. Vitamin A. Question number 9. Dash is found in cells in the active form pyridoxal phosphate (PLP). Options A. Pyridoxine, B. Thiamine, C. Vitamin K, D. Riboflavin. Correct answer A. Pyridoxine. Question number 10. Dash is readily soluble in water and insoluble in fat solvents. Options A. Vitamin K, B. Vitamin A, C. Riboflavin, D. Thiamine. Correct answer D. Thiamine. Question number 11. Dash is an essential nutrient of higher animals including man. Options A. Vitamin E, B. Vitamin C, C. Thiamine, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer A. Vitamin E. Question number 12. Dash is fat soluble vitamin. Options A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B1, C. Vitamin B3, D. Vitamin C. Correct answer A. Vitamin A. Question number 13. Dash is important bond collagen formation. Options A. Vitamin B1, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer B. Vitamin C. Question number 14. Dash is known as alpha tocopherol. Options A. Vitamin B1, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin E. Correct answer D. Vitamin E. Question number 15. Dash is emulsifying agent naturally present in brain, nerve, egg yolk. Options: A. Lecithin, B. BHA, C. BHT, D. Ascorbic acid. Correct answer: A. Lecithin. Question number 16. Dash is water soluble vitamin. Options: A. Vitamin B3, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin B1, D. All of the options. Correct answer: D. All of the options. Question number 17. Dash is vitamin which is naturally formed in the body. Options: A. Vitamin B1, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin E. Correct answer: C. Vitamin D. Question number 18. Dash is precursor of vitamin A. Options: A. Beta carotene, B. Chlorophyll, C. Terpenoid, D. Anthocyanin. Correct answer: A. Beta carotene. Question number 19. Dash is yellow-green pigment of skim milk and whey. Options: A. Carotene, B. Riboflavin, C. Xanthophyll, D. None of the options. Correct answer: B. Riboflavin. Question number 20. Dash is essential for normal blood clotting. Options: A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin E, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer: D. Vitamin K. Test your 10th level prelims preparation with free test series exam papers each week. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts, keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th level prelims in February 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. Question paper will have 100 questions and it would be in Malayalam. You can use FootTech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes from the Unacademy. So enroll now for free. Link is in the description. Question number 21. Due to deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to dash. Options: A. Scurvy, B. Pellagra, C. Beriberi, D. Night blindness. Correct answer: C. Beriberi. Question number 22. Deficiency of vitamin A leads to dash. Options: A. Rickettsia, B. Scurvy, C. Beriberi, D. Night blindness. Correct answer: D. Night blindness. Question number 23. Due to deficiency of vitamin D leads to. Options: A. Blindness, B. Reduced sodium absorption, C. Beriberi, D. Rickettsia. Correct answer: D. Rickettsia. Question number 24. Meat is good source of all vitamins except. Options: A. Thiamine, B. Ascorbic acid, C. Cyanocobalamin, D. Pantothenic acid. Correct answer: B. Ascorbic acid. Question number 25. Milk is poor source of dash. Options: A. Riboflavin, B. Niacin, C. Thiamine, D. Ascorbic acid. Correct answer: D. Ascorbic acid. Question number 26. PER stands for. Options: A. Power efficiency ratio, B. Protein effectiveness rate, C. Protein energy rate, D. Protein efficiency ratio. Correct answer: D. Protein efficiency ratio. Question number 27. Vitamin A also known as dash. Options: A. Ergocalciferol, B. Retinol, C. Thiamine, D. Tocopherol. Correct answer: B. Retinol. Question number 28. Vitamin A is essential for dash. Options: A. Night vision, B. Skeletal growth, C. Relief from pain, D. Recovery from cancer. Correct answer: A. Night vision. Question number 29. Vitamin B6 also known as dash. Options: A. Retinol, B. Folic acid, C. Cyanocobalamin, D. Pyridoxine. Correct answer: D. Pyridoxine. Question number 30. Vitamin E also known as dash. Options: A. Anti-sterility vitamin, B. Niacin, C. Ergocalciferol, D. Riboflavin. Correct answer: A. Anti-sterility vitamin. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam. One topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. All Kerala ranking for the test would be provided if you take up the test live. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. The test paper would be available in Malayalam only. First place will receive 1 month Kerala PSC subscription. Second place 1200 rupees Amazon voucher and third place 800 rupees Amazon voucher. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to unlock the free test series from Unacademy. Link is in the description. These are the newly launched courses in Unacademy Plus. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.